We just now discussed that it is the atomic number or the number of electrons of an atom which define the chemical properties or the physical properties of the element that this atom is of. Right? So let us see how. To explain this, I will introduce another terminology called valency. Valency is defined as a measure of the number of electrons an element either loses or gains to obtain a stable structure. So, there is an atom of the element. We will see how this atom loses some electrons or gains some electrons and how does it become stable. So, I will take the example of sodium. Sodium has an atomic number of 11 and its symbol is Na. So, coincidentally, it is the same element whose electronic configuration we found a while back here, right? Electronic configuration of an element with atomic number 11 came out to be 2, 8 and 1, right? So, electronic configuration of sodium is 2, 8 and 1. Now, this one electron, if you look closely, electrons that can be accommodated in first shell is 2, right? Electrons that can be accommodated in second shell is 8. Now electrons that can be accommodated in third shell is 18. But we have only one electron. Now this electron is free, right? A loose electron. According to Bohr, third shell should comprise of 18 electrons for an atom to be stable. So sodium, what it does is, it loses this one electron and hence becomes stable. And hence, valency of sodium is nothing but 1. Because what did we say? That valency is defined as measure of number of electrons an element either loses or gains to become stable. The discussion on valency would be incomplete without understanding the valence electrons. So, let us see what valence electrons are. The number of electrons in the last shell of any atom are known as its valence electrons.